Hello, today we will guide you through how to export all transactions from QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to export your transaction data from QuickBooks into an Excel file. This can be useful if you want to review activity outside of QuickBooks, organize records for reporting, or share data with your team or accountant. We'll keep the process simple and easy to follow. To begin, open QuickBooks and go to the Home page. This is the starting point for accessing the export tools, so make sure you're fully logged in and on the main dashboard before moving ahead. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Settings. This is where QuickBooks keeps a number of account and data management options, including the export feature we'll be using in this guide. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the upper right area carefully. From the Settings menu, click on Export Data. This will take you to the Export section where you can choose exactly what information you want to download. This area is designed to help you move your QuickBooks data into a format that's easier to work with in spreadsheet software. When the export page opens, click on All Dates. Choosing All Dates ensures that your export includes the full transaction history available, rather than limiting the file to a smaller date range. This is especially important if your goal is to capture every transaction in one export. Next, make sure all options are turned on. This step helps confirm that all transaction categories or available data sections are included in the export. It's a good idea to pause here and double-check that nothing is left unchecked, since missing a setting could mean your exported file is incomplete. Once everything is selected and turned on, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will begin preparing your file, and depending on the amount of data in your account, this may take a few moments. When the export is ready, your Excel file should download so you can open it, review the transactions, and save it wherever you need. And that's it. You've successfully exported all transactions from QuickBooks. If you're working with a large file, it may help to sort or filter the spreadsheet once it opens in Excel so you can find specific records more easily. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward.